Alright, hello. This is for my midterm project. We'll start off with program 1 here. This is for the calculating sales program. First, obviously, we import the scanner and everything like that. This currency import, I found it online because I was trying to print the dollar sign. I realized I could have just used print line to print it off, but I'm gonna keep that. For profit, this is just kind of like the accumulator variable that makes sure that it just keeps track of the profit. I set this while loop to true, so it just will run infinitely until the user enters 0. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the program. Alright, so we'll do products 1 through 5 for this. And it's going to ask for the number of items sold for product 1. We'll do 23. Number 2, we'll do 44. Number 3, we'll do 66. Number 4, we'll do 7. And number 5, we will do 8. And then for this, the thinking, if somebody were to use this, they just enter all the profit that they made in the day or the amount of items they sold that day, and then they just enter 0 to stop that. And then it prints out the profit for the day, which is 1,011 and 61 cents. Here's the case, the switch statement. I just decided to make it a method just because it just was easier. Here's the symbol variable that I was mentioning for the dollar sign. But yeah, that is program number 1. Now we'll go here to program number 2, which is the account saving checking. We're going to use the data that was given on the project page itself. That's what we're going to enter for this. But again, obviously, import the scanner, main method, all that stuff. This program, mainly, you're just going based off of what the user enters. There's a lot of just printing variables and stuff like that. But so yeah, we're gonna do this 5 different times for the data given. So 4, 6, 7, 2, 8. And then this is a savings account. Minimum is 1,000, and then 2,700 is the current balance. It's going to print that out, which is 2808 with interest added on top of that. We're going to run that again for the second one. 87324 is the account number. Checkings account this time, 1,500 is the minimum. And then 7689 is the current balance. 8,073 with 46 cents. You just round up in my head. That's the second one, right? Yeah, that's the second one. Then for the third one, 873 is the account number. Another savings account with $1,000 is the minimum balance. 800 is the current balance, and as that's less than the minimum, they're going to get a service charge of $10, which notifies the customer. So yeah, so that's for the third set. And then for the fourth one, 8932. I'm just gonna copy and paste that one in there. This is a checkings account with 2,000 as the minimum and 3,000 as the current balance. So they made $90 for the interest rate. And then the final bit of data for this one is 9322 with as a checkings account with $1,000 as the minimum, and they have 750 as their current balance. They get a $25 charge because that's what the the checking account service charge is. And then we'll do it one more with just some with a different with neither S or C for that. So that's the account number. We'll do A, and it's still going to go through and ask you to enter the minimum balance and the current balance. But at the end of that, it's going to tell the user that it's that they have to enter S or C instead of A. And then for the final one, this is for the parking garage problem or program. Again, the currency thing I imported, I did program 1 and then program 3 and then I did program 2. And again, same stuff. I linked the where I found this code. Again, similar to problem 1 or program 1, there's a profit variable that keeps track of it all. But yeah, let's go ahead. All right. Number of customers that parked in the garage today. We'll go big. We'll say there's 10 people parked. Hours parked. It's gonna ask for the hours parked. So we'll say 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. Customer 5, he got lost. He this was there for 14 hours. Customer 7, he was there for 23 hours. But in which case he's getting charged $10 because that's the maximum charge that they can be charged. Customer 8, he was there for 4 hours, a healthy 4 hours. Again, another hour, and then customer 10, he was there for 2 hours. And as you can see, it displays how much they're charged each time. And then obviously it ends. And then here it is, the total profit for yesterday, 35 bucks. And yeah, those are my 3 programs. Thank you.